Combining videos on an iPhone cannot be, or doesn't necessarily have to be difficult, but you need to pay attention to a couple of different things. Let me just get started with this right now. So there are plenty of video editors which let you combine multiple videos together. However, you might think that such capability is also available in the Photos app. Unfortunately, you need to get a third-party app for it. And as I said, there are plenty of options. First guess for you might be iMovie. I guess it works, but I don't quite like it for the lack of features. However, what I like is one called CapCut. This is what the interface looks like. It's a free app which you can get from the App Store. It has some premium features, but you don't really need them to combine the videos. But all you have to do is just to click on New Project, click on the videos that you want to combine, and start a new project. Right now, you can see we have the video layer in here, and it just combines the two videos together. So very useful stuff. That's essentially what we wanted. Once you're done, you can click on Export and get the combined videos as a result. But there is one important thing, and that is the video quality, right? So if I open up the Photos app, and you can see that this is the video which I'm using in that CapCut video editor. And you're gonna notice that this video is shot in 4K. So it's pretty good resolution. There's some quality in there. And the problem is that once I imported the video into the CapCut, the timeline is now 1080p, which is a downgrade from the 4K. So this is something that you have to pay attention to, mainly switching to the proper resolution and maintaining the 2 or 4K resolution before exporting. Also, the timeline settings should match the video as well. So if the video was shot at 30 FPS, make sure it is like this, or if it's been more, definitely add some up, right? Also, in case you want to bump up the quality when you're using CapCut, make sure to move this to the right, which is the code rate, right? So as much information as possible should be added into the clip, which is going to make the size go up, but also it's going to retain more quality. So these are the settings to keep in mind when using CapCut. Let me know down below what you think about this video. Hope you like this. Hit the thumbs up if you did, and I will catch you in the future.